Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make these reusable fabric napkins. They look great on your table and they're very easy to make. You want to start with an absorbent fabric, so either a cotton or a linen or a mix of both. So I picked out this rainbow grid seersucker fabric from Joann Fabrics. I like the grid and the colors. It has kind of a fun retro look. And if you're going for more of a modern look, they also have this bubble gauze fabric that's very soft and it comes in all different colors. I'm going to cut 18-inch squares for my napkins, and with a 1-inch seam allowance, these will end up being about 17 inches. So you can do whatever size you like, but just give yourself an extra inch bigger than what you want your final napkins to be. Now, with the right side of the fabric facing down and the wrong side of the fabric facing up toward you, go ahead and fold over the edges by about 1/4 of an inch and start ironing them all the way around. Next, fold over all the edges again and iron that down to hide the frayed edges all the way around your fabric. If you want, you could sew around the border just like this with your corners folded over twice, but it's a little bit bulky, so I like to do a mitered corner. So you just unfold the edges and cut off a triangle above where your final corner of your napkin is going to be. Then you fold that over and fold your sides back into place. And iron that mitered corner to secure it. And that's how a mitered corner looks. Now pin those corners and all the sides in place, and then we can sew. So we're going to sew just a straight, simple seam all the way around the border.